I just want to show you how this system works. The 5 kVA system with the 2 lithium battery, and this is load. You can run. This guy is gonna run about 5 fridges. You know, the 5 fridge like this, because it's got the shop, the tuck shop. So you got 5 fridge of like this ones, and you got the deep freezer. You know, like this one, the freezer also he can run, and this is for his shop, and all the lights. So that's why we put for the 2 batteries, you know. And this is a 5 kVA inverter. We done all the installation. You can see our work. So this is the solar wires coming from there. This is the combiner. This is for the changeover. This is output. Separately disconnected. This is the one battery. This is the one battery. So let me show you the panel on top. We still busy on top. There we are on top. That's the old panel. So this is the one the DS installed. Here is a 6 panel. There is another panel, and that side is another panel. This my guys are installing. Yeah, he's on, Alfred. He's giving 182 volt. It's fine because there is no sunshine, you know.